Now today we are going to play hot potatoes. Hot potato, you have to ask questions to your friends. You have to ask difficult questions like, whom are you scared of? Or something tricky. Okay, no GK questions. Make a question which is difficult. Okay? Or which games do you find it difficult? Or you can also ask, tell something about an embarrassing moment. Tell something when you won a prize. So ask something like this. Okay? ऐसे नहीं है, tell me your favorite color. No, not that simple. Last time we had played that, but now you know how to play the game. So I'm telling you who will ask the questions first. Rahib will ask the question first. Then Shanvi. Rahib will ask to Shanvi. Shanvi will ask to Reyansh. Reyansh will ask to Shivansh. And Shivansh will ask to Adya. Adya will ask to Anvi. Understood? Anvi will ask to Rahib. Understood? Remember, आपको कौन किससे I am not going to call your name कि अभी किसका turn है. You have to be quick and ready. If you are not, then your turn is gone. You are taking too long. अच्छा, एक और काम करते हैं. अगर नहीं भी आएगा ना कोई question, be ready with a simple question. Okay? चलो, let's get started. चलो, quickly start.
Hello, Shanvi. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you kindly please repeat? What is your what are you fear of? I'm afraid of Richa ma'am. Ma'am, I can't get ready with a difficult riddle, so can I ask a
simple one? No problem. Ask a simple one.
Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
Reyansh, sit properly.
Shivansh, which is your favorite horror game? My favorite horror game is Poppy Playtime.
You can also say, tell me which horror game do you like to play? Though I am not in the favor of this, I'm very scared as myself. Anyways, Shivansh.
Adya, sorry, Riyansh, what is your favorite video game which you will like to play when you come from school?
Shivansh, you are asking me?
Yes.
Actually, I don't play video games.
Oh, so you can say, Shivan, I don't play video games. You can say like that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Adya, you have to ask.
Adya will ask Anvi.
Okay, ma'am. Which subject do you find difficult and why?
No subjects.
You find all the subjects easy, Anvi?
Yes, teacher.
That's a big lie. That's a big lie. Anvi, that's a big lie.
No, teacher. Ma'am, this cannot be true.
It's not true. I know that. You have to say something, Anvi. Some or the other subject
Physics,
is
science, maths.
let her think. God has given her brain. Let her think. Anvi, answer.
Sanskrit.
Okay, so say in full sentence. I find Sanskrit difficult.
I find Sanskrit difficult. Ma'am, he also asked why.
Why do you find it difficult? Yes. Why do you find Sanskrit difficult? Anvi, you have to be quick. You cannot take 1 hour to answer.
Actually, I like the smell of all the flowers. Oh, doesn't matter. I don't. I don't like the smell of violet. What did you say? I don't like the smell of violet. Okay. Rian, you need to ask a question now.
Whose turn is it next? Ask the question,
Well,
Shanvi. Be
Shanvi is not asking. Shanvi is not
Shanvi.
asking.
Okay, Ryansh. Be cool now.
This is my first time of playing. I did not play. Be calm. Today.
Last time.
Ma'am,
Okay. Uh-huh.
ma'am, instead of cool, we can say calm. Be calm. Calm
Calm,
down.
calm, calm. CLM. Yes. Chalo, Shanvi, quickly.
What
Ryansh.
is your favorite game? What is your favorite game, Riansh? What my favorite game? Yes. My favorite game is Monopoly.
Why do you
Shivan,
like
oh,
to play?
that's
Why do
great.
you like to play?
I like to play it because it is very tricky game and it uses money. I love money.
Okay, so you like to keep an account of money. Okay.
Shivansh, what is your favorite flower? What is your favorite flower?
Flower. You can say which is your
Yeah,
favorite flower?
favorite flower. My favorite? Can you repeat it again? This time I'm all ears. Okay. Which is your favorite flower? Smell. My favorite flower is smell. Lotus.
Okay, so
Smell.
smell is used for something which is bad. So I will say fragrance. Which fragrance is your favorite, Shivansh? You can say like
My
this. Okay.
favorite fragrance is the rose one.
I like the
Rose.
fragrance of rose, or
Rose
I
fragrance.
rose fragrance. I like rose fragrance. Okay.
What? What? Hmm. A hard question I will ask to
You
ask.
will not take so much time to think. Jaldi karo, jaldi karo. Quick, rapid,
Uh,
speedy.
Ma'am, give me some time. If you will speak like this, then I will never get the question.
Okay, okay, fine.
Adia, do you like to play games more or do study more? Or please say study.
Actually, I don't like playing games and I also don't like to study much.
So, Adya, I have a question for you. What do you like to do then? Or what do you enjoy
Ma'am,
the most?
ma'am, I enjoy doing art and craft and I'm dance also.
Okay, that's great. That's really nice. Okay,
Then you
next.
should meet my sister, my grand sister. She does the same every day.
What is a grand sister, sir? What do you mean by
Ma'am,
grand sister?
I mean grandmaster. I'm just saying it for short.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm
Uh,
really old.
ma'am, now I have to ask the question.
Yes,
Uh,
go ahead.
what is your favorite memory MVDD which you want to replay in your life?
The best memory is uh mm, the best memory I want to replay again is uh my my memory of age one.
And you have to answer
Can you
age
repeat
one.
that?
आपको याद है? एक second wait. Do you remember how you were 1 year old? Do you remember how you were 1 year old? You don't remember that. So which memory is your favorite and why? So we don't know how I was when I was a 1 year old. Think before you are answering. Anything you can't answer. If you say when I was 6 months old, I love. How do you remember that? Nobody does it, no? No one remembers. Anvi, be smart cookie.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I would like to tell you, if you ask a question to anyone, do you like to play games more or study more? There's no one who will say I love to play games. They will all say I love to study.
I say I love to play games. I will say.
Now you're saying. Otherwise, you will say I would love to study.
No. No.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So don't nag and all the time. So now quickly tell me.